most.
Yeah, well, the port city of Katia Lama has been one of the worst hit areas. Our US correspondent Martha Kellner reports.
The United States says its forces have struck targets near the Strait of Hormuz in response to an attack by Iran on a commercial ship that was passing through the waterway.
In some parts of the UK, those who weren't already struggling to sleep were woken this morning by the sound of the sky breaking. These just some of.
His is an institution buffeted by scandal, at pains to modernise,